www.gibsontruckworld.com 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT Crew Cab 5.9L Cummins Diesel 4-wheel drive lifted riding on a nice set of 315 BFGs and 17-inch Pro Comp wheels. 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, power seating, CD player, sliding rear window, wood grain interior trim, keyless entry, alarm, chrome Nerf bars, bed liner, towing package, PW, PDL, and PM. Drive into Gibson today and choose from over $7 million in inventory. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest, reliable, loyal, we are the king.